It's Nick Jr. Slime Time with Butterbean and all her friends. We're going to play with some butter slime using Butterbean's favorite kitchen tools. Woo! Let's use these tongs to play with the slime. This butter slime is perfect for playing, but it's not for eating.
Gotcha, messy monkey.
We can really stretch the slime with these.
Gotcha! Whew. That's great! There we go. Come and get 'em!
What will happen if we press this slotted spoon into the slime? Oh, cool.
Awesome!
Cool. Look, a butterfly mold. Look, we made a little slime butterfly with this butterfly mold.
They came out perfectly perfect!
With this rolling pin, we can roll the slime as flat as a flutter cake.
Nice! Awesome!
Cool! This whisk is just like Butterbean's. We're going to whisk up the slime. Playing with slime is so fun. We love slime. Which was your favorite?
Hooray!
You can ask your parents to subscribe to the Nick Jr. YouTube channel for new videos every day. And find more of your favorite shows on TV on Nickelodeon and the Nick Jr. channel.